This outfit is gorgeous, no doubt, but I want to elevate it. I want to look stand out. I want to look more corporate and sexy at the same time. So I'll be incorporating this with this outfit. So let's go in. So the band here, so there's a band here which is like an adjustable strap. You can adjust it. Can you see? You can adjust it as well. So let's see. It has a button as well. It has a button, a rundown button. So